Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing like a everyday makeup look, like kind of neutral, natural kind of look. So first I'm just gonna put my primer, like always. So next I'm gonna go ahead with foundation. Mine's more full coverage, but if you want to use like a BB cream, it would also work for like even more of a natural look. But I personally don't really like BB creams and stuff. And we're just gonna blend that out. So I was thinking that for one of my videos, I was thinking of doing like a curly hair routine, like how I do my hair for the week and stuff, like the products that I use and how often I wash my hair and stuff like that. And definitely like what products I use when I do wash my hair and what products I use to style my hair. Like in the vlog that I put up last week, there's like kind of a sneak peek of what I use and how I do my hair. But I was thinking for the video to go more in depth with like how I do it and stuff and where I get my products from. So next I'm gonna go ahead and do brows so that I can carve them out with my concealer. This is more of like if you don't really have brows. Not if you don't really have brows, but like if you want to fill in your brows, because I know some people for more natural looks like to keep their brows just how they are and just put eyebrow gel in it. And I'm gonna keep them more natural, not like as thick, more a little thinner. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my brows. This isn't like the most natural, but I just have a couple hairs that I want to cover up, keep my eyebrows a little tamed. That's one eyebrow. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera so it doesn't take that long. So that's both eyebrows, and I just use the rest of the concealer to prime my eyelid. So now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eyes. And I'm not gonna go as heavy as I usually do. I'm gonna keep it more closer to the under eye. I'm gonna still highlight the high points of my face. And go ahead and blend that in. So now I'm gonna bake only my under eyes and the high points of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my under eyes. And whatever is left over on my beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and set like my cheeks so that when I put my contour and blush, it doesn't stick. So while that's setting, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. Okay, so for this, honestly, you only need one brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use the lightest color in this palette to set the concealer on my eyelids. So using the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the third color in the palette, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the contour color that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna also put that in my crease, just to darken it up a little bit, so it's not just one color in the crease, give it a little more dimension. You can honestly, if you want, you can just leave it like that, put mascara, and you're done. But I'm gonna go ahead with the same palette as before, take this gold shade right here, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. Just to add a little shimmer. You don't have to, but I like it. Just change up the look a little bit. And I'm using my finger to get the best pigmentation. I'm just gonna blend that in. And those are the eyes. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara to my top lashes. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off all the powder. And just use the excess powder to set the rest of my face. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. And this time, instead of bringing it all the way back, I'm going to focus it more on the apples of my cheeks to give it that really flushed look. And I'm gonna go ahead and go over my nose so it gives that little sunburnt effect. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows. As far as under eyes goes, I'm just go ahead, take the contour color, and just run that under my lash line so that there's not a lot of color under there, but there is some. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and instead of using like a very glowy highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and take the highlight from this palette, which is the second color, and I'm gonna use a little bit so that it's more of a natural glow. Okay, it doesn't look that natural on camera, but in real life you can barely see it. It's just a little subtle shade of glitter. And if anything, just take your face powder brush and just go over it a little bit so that it's not as intense. I'm gonna go ahead, highlight my nose, Cupid's bow, just a little bit on the Cupid's bow, and a little on the chin to give that natural little glow. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with the same highlight I use for my face and my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go ahead, add some bottom mascara. I'm gonna also add a little bit of faux freckles. And if you want to learn how to do these, I made a video as to how I do my faux freckles. So be sure to watch that video if you want to see that. And there you go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do lips. This is my favorite lip combo for these kind of looks, and I'm gonna leave the names and everything down below. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and we're done. Okay, so this is the final look with the faux freckles and everything. Make it look a little more natural. So thank you guys for watching this natural makeup tutorial. Be sure to comment down more tutorials you'd like to see down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.